You know what's quietly becoming one of the most in demand skills in India right now? It's artificial intelligence. Not the futuristic sci fi version, but practical real world AI roles. Almost every product today is integrating AI, from recommendation systems to fraud detection to automation tools to customer support bots. And because of that, companies are actively hiring for roles like AI engineer, ML engineer, Gen AI developer. And what's interesting is most of these roles aren't about extreme mathematics. They're about understanding Python, working with real data sets, using AI APIs, and deploying solutions on cloud infrastructure. So, if you're someone who enjoys tech, systems, automations, or cloud, AI is a very strong career path right now. And if you want to verify this yourself, go to Unstop and open the job section. Now, go to the filters option and in the categories menu, select artificial intelligence and machine learning. And after selecting that, just look at the number of openings currently listed. I mean, the demand speaks for itself. Because AI isn't just trending, companies are actively building teams around it.